of organizing a hearing, in practice, this is what happens. First of all, expect your arbitrator to be reasonable but firm. If your arbitrator is unreasonable, that may be cause for that arbitrator to have been doing something wrong or not proceeding with due natural justice. On the other hand, if your arbitrator actually is giving in to everything and anything that the parties want, then you also have some concerns that your arbitrator is actually not being firm enough. In organizing a hearing, your first step will be to hold a preliminary hearing. This is when, soon after an arbitrator is appointed, the tribunal will then call for a preliminary hearing whereby parties will attend, and the idea behind this preliminary hearing is actually to manage the case.